Hello everyone, today I am going to tell you about how to reset Nexus 9K series password, and we have Nexus C93180, and there is a few steps we need to follow. Firstly, we need to connect power cable on the switch. After that, we need to connect console cable from the both end laptop to switch. After connecting the both cable, we will need to take access the switch by using the putty. Now we are ready to take access, and we have press Windows plus R. By using this command devmgmt.msc, we can reach in device manager to see the com value. Here is, you can see the com value. Our com value is com5, and now we have open putty and select serial and fill the com value 5. After filling the com value 5, we have pressed open. Now our putty is open, and we have press enter. It will show you the some logs. Now we need to continue press Ctrl plus C. I think it will take some time. But we are continuously pressing window Ctrl plus C. I think it will take 45 seconds or 30 seconds. Now we have reached in Roman mode.
To recover the password of Cisco Nexus 9K, you need to restart the switch. During the boot process, you need to escape with Control C. Enter in recovery mode with the following command: cmd line recovery mode equal to 1. Then after, we have to boot the image with the NXOS file that will be present on our switch. Then we have to, in configuration mode, change the admin password and load the image that is available on switch. As earlier you have, then after boot, the switch will get up and with new password.